This is a 4x8 trifold rolling double-sided magnetic whiteboard feltboard room divider. I was sent a review from Amazing Spark, so let me show you a closer look, including the full assembly. Here is how the board comes. That's already assembled, the main board. And then you've got the 4 parts of the base and all the feet, as well as a bag of the necessary tools and screws. There are no pre-drilled holes here, so I'm just guessing about how this is gonna work. We're gonna kind of align this and pop it on top of the plastic here. If you have a screwdriver, it's gonna be easier, but this does like go in little by little. It is like a soft aluminum that you're screwing into. They're not pre-drilled, but you just do it by hand. So you've got one of these pieces on each of the ends, and then each of those has 3 to drill in. And then they've got nice caster wheels. The wheels are plastic, and they're just gonna screw into the holes on the bases. And then the middle board has 2 spots here and here where you're just gonna sit this on top. These are pre-drilled and they come with 2 screws. So you're just gonna attach them with 2 screws each and use the little Allen wrench. And then that's gonna get 2 caster wheels on each one. So when it's all assembled and folded flat, it's going to look like this on the bottom. Once it's installed, which literally doesn't take long, it is really easy to move around. It spins, it opens. Oh my gosh, it's just like so flexible how you use it. It is colorful. You've got yellow, red, and orange on one side. Blue, green, and purple on the other side. And then the upper 2/3 of each panel, front and back, is whiteboard, so you can write on it. It's magnetic. With the feet and the wheels on, it's measuring just under 51 inches. I'm 5'8", so you could just see like in comparison. This is felt down here, and then that's the whiteboard material up here. It seems like really good quality. They've got hinges, that's how they just kind of fold and whatnot. This is gonna be amazing for a classroom, a home school, so you can use it to partition a room or for a lesson, and then in an instant, you can fold it up to be really narrow and just put it against a wall or in a corner. I mean, it's just really flexible how you use it. And you can also just unscrew the feet to remove those. It's not a huge deal. I wouldn't be doing that every day, but if you need to fit it into a trunk or something, it's not too difficult.